So moving to technology trends, kind of writ large for
Mhm.
small to medium sized businesses, what are you seeing out there, and what should small to medium sized business owners and operators be aware of, and how can VCIO services help?
Sure. I think, emerging trends, moving to the cloud or software as a
Yeah,
service solutions, that's huge,
yeah,
right? Because it takes the physical infrastructure off your property. So you don't have to maintain servers, you don't have to maintain all the switching. You still have to maintain firewalls and switching to a point, but you don't have to maintain the server room,
sure.
right? The applications that live on those server room, update those applications, make sure that they have all the requisites, patches apply. Do the testing of the applications once you apply those patches. Companies just can't realistically do that. So move to the cloud, all that risk moves to the vendor. So I think
Yeah,
that's a trend we've been seeing over probably the last 10 or 12 years. It's very common now to walk into a company and have their serverless.
yeah,
There's firewalls
yeah,
and there's internet connection points at each desktop. That's it.
yeah.
I think automation and artificial intelligence. A lot of companies are implementing artificial intelligence now through the line of business applications
Mm,
that they come with this add-on that does. A lot of what it does is it automates, streamlines workflows, so it brings efficiency to the worker and allows them to free up to do things that require more hands-on, more thought
sure.
to get done. Integrating systems and the days of having five separate systems standalone, not talking to each other, those days are gone, right?
Yeah,
Businesses rely on data-driven decisions. How do you get data-driven decisions? By having platforms that
they
integrate
work
with each
together.
other,
Yeah,
and you offload your data to a data lake. You use BI and data analytics to actually get the best data you can at the time. Um, and something that just came about in the last 5 or so years is a hybrid and remote workforce and the tools you need to support that. And it was amazing that on day one of the pandemic, when everybody closed, we had great internet connectivity, right? And how often did your internet go out?
yeah,
Hardly at all.
no, yeah,
So it means we had the infrastructure in place. We
yeah,
didn't have the tools yet, and
right.
those tools have been building since that day. So I think those things, allowing your workforce to be remote, to be hybrid,
Yeah,
work anywhere in the world.
yeah,
I think those are some trends that we're seeing that have really taken hold.
that's excellent.